Shopee discount promotion over here. Select it, select store. We're going to make a discount promotion. Modules over here, add promotion, promotion info. Let's go with the name, for example, Christmas. Start time, set 30, date, end time. Let's go with November 2nd, and the time for it. There you go. Select save. There you go. You have a promotion name. Now, how do we apply this to our products? Good question. Go to product listing. Make sure that your product is same as the promotion marketplace over here. So, for example, we have created modules just now over here. Make sure the products you have is same to your store. So we cannot use Wandami over here. Let's go with modules over here. Actions, edit, variants, enable promo. Select it. Scroll down a bit more. Select this. It will appear over here that we just created. Select it. Now we can choose how much do we want to give. For example, let's give 50 discount over here, and after that, select save and publish. Save will appear over here and say publish over here. Now it will be queued, and when the time is right, according to the day we have just set, it will appear as following for the discount. So this is how you use Shopee discount promotion to schedule a promotion in advance. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for the next video.